Today we will be folding a napkin so that it holds cutlery. You will need a napkin and nothing else.
And then, you will have it in 4 squares. Then, you take the 2 corners at the bottom and fold them up to the other corners at the top and crease the bit at the bottom. Bring it down, then put it like that. Then, you will fold it like that. Then, you see these? You will put that at the top. Then you will fold one down, crease. The other one down, under that one, crease the top and the top of the other. Put the other one down, crease, and leave this one down. Then, you will flip it over and take this corner and fold it to the other. And then, you see these? You will put the cutlery in them. Now, since I have cutlery, it doesn't have to be a fork or a knife, whatever you're using for dinner or whatever you're having. You will put the knife in the top one on the right.
Look, it's in the corner.
And then you will put the fork in, or the spoon, or whatever you have, in the top beside the knife. You are done.
Can you put them in different slots?
Yes, you can.
Thank you.